Babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, another refreshing afternoon for me guys, because Roost Craft Ice Cream has sent us their products for us to try on, as well as ipakilala po sa inyo. Si Roost Craft Ice Cream po is a newly established business na gusto pong magpakilala sa atin, and what makes it really special is yung po yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Syempre, titikman muna natin and pag-usapan natin yung mga flavors ng mga ice creams nila. So first off, this is their salted caramel ice cream. Wow! So first thing I notice is very pure po yung ice cream nila. And at the same time, first flavor na natikpan ko is salted caramel. Every time I order po sa cafe o sa coffee shop, salted caramel lagi yun. And good thing, natikman ko dito sa ice cream nila. Just, you know, the first off, una-una na titikman natin. Next is the Dalgona coffee. Ayan, so on top of it, meron tayong mga coffee jelly cubes. Ooh. Oh wow. So this one, for me, it's sweet. However, this one naman, this is a strong coffee. Yan. So, sumihilig sa mga kape, ito yung flavor niya. It is a little bit bitter. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So, next ice cream I wanna taste, guys, is yung kanilang Leche Flan. So, on top of it, makikita ninyo parang meron tayong caramelized sugar flakes on top. And then, of course, yung pinaka-base ng ice cream natin is a Leche Flan. Okay, let me taste this. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. So this one, again, you get that distinctive caramel taste mula sa mga Leche Flan because of that caramel flakes dito natin. And what I like about the flakes is it's still really crispy, no? And then yung pinaka flavor natin, which is the Leche Flan. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. So next ice cream we're gonna taste is yung Okinawa ice cream nila. Again, this is the usual flavor we get when we order milk teas. So this one, available siya sa ice cream. Oh wow. Mind you guys, it has a little bit strong tea taste. Absolutely, definitely. Yung mga tea lovers, yung mga authentic tea lovers, they're gonna appreciate this one. So last ice cream I wanna taste is itong Korean melon. If you're that kind of person na, you know, you always eat sa mga samgyeopsal, this flavor is very distinctive to you. I mean, you will absolutely recognize it right away. Korean melon. So earlier nasabi ko sa inyo guys, it has something special that differs to other regular ice cream that we get sa commercial, no? This is actually non-dairy. So what does that mean? Kasi po sa atin, mostly sa mga Filipinos are lactose-intolerant. That's what you experience when you take in mga dairy products like butter, mostly milk or cheese, mga ganyan. Because meron pong effect yon sa digestive natin, sa stomach natin. Particularly kapag dairy products yung mga kinakain natin. And most of the time, ice cream are made from dairies. This time, these are non-dairy, so these are dairy-free products, which makes it very special and at the same time, a little bit healthier dun sa mga usual na ice cream. So the flavors are still there, the ingredients are still present. However, yung pinaka-base niya, which is yung milk, has an alternative, which is non-dairy and healthy. And then additionally, I have to say, no, yung mga flavors po nila dito like the Dalgona, Leche Flan, the caramel, kumbaga kung ano yung flavor nila, it really tests that flavor. You really recognize it, ang sarap nila. The price starts from 210 hanggang 265 pesos, depende po sa flavor ng order ninyo. And at the same time, currently, wala pa po silang physical store. So very soon, watch out for that. So you can order these via online, just message their fan page. You can also pick your products dun po sa address that we're gonna be providing at the caption below. Salted caramel, it never fails me. So, ayun guys, if you're an ice cream lover, you gotta try this out as an alternative to the usual ice cream. These are dairy-free or non-dairy ice creams which are really healthy alternatives to the usual commercialized ice cream. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and check out Roo's Craft Ice Cream. Until our next video, guys, stay safe. Peace out. Bye.